Do you know, before meeting a woman or before going on a date, there are some things that every guy should do. What's all going on, bro? Welcome to another video. Well, today I'm going to talk to you all about 10 things that every guy should do before going on a date. And yes, watch the video till the end because every point is vital. Number 1, setting up everything. You should be the one who is setting up everything, like on which day you're meeting, which restaurant, what are the timings. It should be you who is setting up everything, not the women, okay? Because you have to show dominance. Dominance is a part of masculinity. And guys, remember this thing, dominant does not mean that you have to control women. I am repeating it again, dominance does not mean that you have to control women. Dominance means it's your responsibility to take the lead on everything. You have to show your leadership quality. I have seen many guys does this mistake. Even I have done the same. So if you want to practice this, even if you are not going on a date, you can practice even when you are going out with your friends, with your family or with your colleague. You should be the one who's taking up lead on everything and setting everything up. Number 2, make sure your breath does not stink. It is vital to keep your oral hygiene on point. And let's suppose if you're out with your boss, your colleagues, your family, friends, especially women, and your breath stinks, then guys, it's not good. Women will easily get turned off, so you have to make sure that your breath does not stink. Well, you can do couple of things like doing brushing twice a day or cleaning your tongue daily, even though you are doing brushing twice a day. If you cannot clean your tongue daily, then your breath will definitely gonna stink. And be gentle while cleaning the gunk from your tongue. And make sure you should also have mouth freshener with you when you are out. Number 3, adding a perfume. Well, adding a perfume has many benefits, like you'll feel fresh, it will boost up your mood, you will feel confident in yourself, and especially the women that you're out with, she'll feel happy and it increases the chance of her getting attracted towards you.
Oh my god! Wow!
Just keep in mind that the perfume shouldn't be strong. It should be light. When anybody sniffs that fragrance, their mood instantly get happy. Now summer has come and you will gonna feel more sweaty, and it is your duty to use deodorant daily, especially on the armpits. Number 4, adding red color to your outfit. If you are going out, then you should definitely wear red color. It could be your t-shirt or leather jacket, because women find red color very attractive, and there might be many reasons, like it symbolizes power, it shows dominance, and it instantly draws attention towards you. And I have also read one study where they have interviewed many women in different countries and they have got the same result, that women found red color very attractive. And if you are not having red color in your wardrobe, just add it. Number 5, wear Chelsea boots. You should definitely add Chelsea boots in your shoe collection, because Chelsea boots is a game changer. When it's come to leveling up your style, then you should definitely throw on Chelsea boots and your personality will going to increase. Just keep in mind, Chelsea boots goes with every outfit. Number 6, learn some table manners. It is important for you to learn some table manners. I have seen many people do this mistake, like taking very big bites, eating with their mouth open, eating fastly or gulping water with sound, and so on. The women that you're out with, she should also know that you have got some standards, and when she notices this thing, she'll also try her best to prove to you that she has also got some standards. And guys, without doing anything, she already started investing in you, and that's a good thing. Now, when you're fully ready for a date or meeting a woman, so while going on a date, the first thing you need to do is, and which is number 7, calm yourself down. And this is the thing which I'm personally working on, because I also got too excited many times, and due to more excitement, I speak more and even worse. Hence, women gets turned off.
No! God, please, no! No!
And that's very bad. So guys, calm yourself down. Number 8, have a confident body language. You should also have a confident body language if you are out with any women or in an office meeting or elsewhere. Remember this thing, having body language can help you in achieving everything very easily, because confidence is key. So how can you display confident body language? Let's suppose you're out with the women in a restaurant. She will going to notice that you're being confident or being shy around her. So while having a conversation with her, just maintain eye contact and lean in a bit while having the conversation and listen to her very properly, because there are many guys who doesn't listen to the women and many women complains about this thing, and guys, that's a turn off. And guys, one more thing, you have to speak in a medium speed like I am speaking to you right now. If you speak fastly, it will represent that you are getting nervous. Number 9, treat her like a normal girl. Guys, I totally understand the girl that you have a crush on. When you see that girl, your heartbeat increases and you have already set up your dream world with her. That's why you show her how nice you are agreeing with her on everything, and you are constantly thinking into your mind, what should I do, what should I do, what should I do that she should like me instantly. Ring the bell. That's why you are afraid of challenging her, teasing her, and cannot do anything and end up yourself in a friend zone. Guys, if you wanna avoid the friend zone, treat her like a normal girl. If you treat her like a special girl, then guys, you will definitely gonna lose her. Believe me or not. I'm not saying that you have to disrespect her. Just treat her like a normal girl. Number 10, let her speak more. While having the conversation with her, she should be the one who is speaking more, not you. So how can you do it? The first thing you need to keep in mind, you don't have to ask boring questions like other guys do. What are your hobbies? What do you do? Guys, women are getting bored because everyone asks the same questions. You have to ask the same question in different way so that she should speak more and invest more. If you continue to ask the same question again and again, then you will get one word answer, and that will become the boring conversation, and you don't want that, right? I'm going to hit the hay now. If you're still watching, I really appreciate you, bro. Like my video and subscribe my channel and turn on your notification bell on, because I drop 2 new videos every single week and you don't want to miss it. I'm gonna talk to you all in the next video. Stay happy and stylish.